The U.S. now has the most recorded deaths of any country from the COVID-19 pandemic. The U.S. on Saturday overtook Italy as the country with the most coronavirus deaths, reporting at least 18,860 fatalities and more than 500,000 cases. Italy, which reports roughly 18,850 fatalities, is one of several European countries to show signs of slowing down their outbreaks, the World Health Organization said Friday. Yet the global death toll from the virus continues to climb, reaching 100,000. In the U.S., members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force also noted Friday that cases are showing signs of leveling, but they said the country hasn't yet reached its peak. Experts are pointing to signs that mitigation efforts are working, and updated models are showing a smaller death toll than previously estimated at 60,000 predicted fatalities. President Donald Trump demonstrated he is still itching to move on from the outbreak by announcing a task force dedicated to opening our country. Members, who will include business leaders and doctors, will be announced Tuesday. But certain areas are cautious to make any predictions about reopening. New York Gov. Andrew Cuomo said Saturday that he is putting together a team to look at the reopening processes in Wuhan, China, and in Italy to make sure that what we're doing is based on all the science available internationally. I want to make sure that we know this time and that we've learned from other experiences, he said. The team will also examine the possibility of reactivation of the virus in some people, which has been reported in South Korea. He acknowledged that people are asking him for a date but said that the worst thing that can happen is to let emotions get ahead of logic and fact. It's one thing to make a mistake once, but this nation should not go through it again, Cuomo said. New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio announced on Saturday that his city's public schools will remain closed for the rest of the school year. Reopening for just a few weeks would not be doable, he said, because of the safety precautions that would need to be performed beforehand. Next year is going to have to be the greatest academic year New York public schools have ever had, de Blasio said. However, Cuomo, who has occasionally sparred with de Blasio in the course of the coronavirus response, questioned the action, saying, "It's the mayor's opinion." The governor said he has the legal authority to make the decision in this situation. The decision about schools, as well as decisions about reopening businesses, will have to be coordinated with the whole metropolitan area, Cuomo said.